Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the DJI Osmo Pocket for overheating. So if your gimbal gets hot to the touch, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to try and prevent that. And first off, it's totally fine for the gimbal to heat up sometimes because the motors need to be very precise, and they need to use up and release a lot of power and heat to actually work properly. So it's totally fine, and it's fine unless you get like a overheating warning on your screen. So if you do get a warning like that, make sure to turn off the device and stop recording. Uncover the ventilations. So we have a bunch of ventilations on this device. So for example, this little, let me just show you. We have this little grate right here where heat gets dissipated, and just make sure to leave it alone for a few minutes until it cools down. And while you are recording, and you really need to record even though it's overheating, make sure to try to consider lowering the bitrate. So to do that, pretty much all we need to do is just go through the settings and find the lower bitrate mode and just lower the recording bitrate. Or you can do recordings in a lower resolution. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.